Good afternoon and namaste everyone. My name is Evan Tristan and I am representing our team and our project INSAT. So, why INSAT? Climate change, as we know, is a huge problem. Millions of species are at the risk and it is a cause of health casualties and fatalities and health adverse effect in the world. But are we aware about it? Yes, the president, the world leaders, they are aware of it. At least I believe we in this room are aware of it. But is the general public aware of it in the amount they should be? A few months back, this was a view from my window. I woke up and found out that the atmosphere was a bit different that day. 26 March 2021, a thick layer of dust and smoke canopied the Kathmandu sky. It was due to wildfires associated with a lot of pollution which causes this thing. But general people were absolutely unaware about this thing. Only after 8 hours later, official reports were published, only to find out that the pollution level had reached the hazardous 434 units level, which is very much harmful for human health, which is very much harmful for eyes and the respiratory disease and respiratory systems of the human beings. But general people were not aware about it. They went into their normal jobs. They went to their new normal jobs as regularly, but they were totally unaware about it. So for this problem, as our one of the person, we have represented Mr. Krishna. For persons like Krishna who are unaware about the environment, who are totally unaware about what is happening in their environment, who want to know about what is the status of the environment they are living in, we bring to you our project INSAT. Basically, INSAT is a miniature version of an environmental satellite which tells you about the environmental parameters such as temperature, humidity, pressure, altitude, atmospheric pressure. All these kinds of things are recorded by our satellite, a mini satellite which can be placed anywhere, basically in this room, at some roof, at some environmental place, and it is transferred to our system where in the user interface all the data is shown as we have here in the demo as well. The feature is that it is modular, it is portable. First of all, it is modular. If you just want the temperature, then we can pull out one stack and it will work very efficiently. And finally, the data is visualized in graphs and charts, and not only that, it can also generate the alerts. This is the architecture of our project. Basically, we have used some hardware components, different kinds of sensors which are available here in the market, and combining those with the cloud computing services, combining those with the cloud computing services, sorry, the last slide is missing here, combining those with cloud computing services, and by applying the Don Norman's design principle in our UI, we have designed our UI with the principles of human-computer interactions. And not only that, we have tested our application. We have dropped it from the drone from the height of 100 meters and opening a parachute. We have measured the temperature variation from 100-meter range. Not only that, we have tested it in different kinds of terrains, and as per the expert reviews and the surveys, while developing this prototype, we were continuously in discussion and continuously taking the expert advices from the Department of Environment, Kathmandu University, for our project. And we are mainly focusing on environmental, industrial, agricultural section, and also the general public as well. For our go-to-market roadmap, first of all, we want to start with the local authorities and then engaging with the social organizations and then focusing on the industrial, agriculture and research sector and then tying up with distributors. Our small project here has been recognized by different kinds of, has been recognized by different kinds of awards, such as we were in Microsoft Imagine Cup 2021, we were in ICT Meetup, we were in Pulchok's Locus event, and our here it has been recognized by the MongoDB as well. So why INSAT? Basically, why INSAT? Why we prepare INSAT is for the general public. For the general public to know that what is the status of the environment, where are we living. By putting this small device for our prototype making, it costs us around rupees 4,000 rupees. But we believe that our analysis suggests that if we do the mass production of it and if we do it in industrial production, level production, then it can be even cheaper. So by putting this in some place, we can know the value of our atmosphere. By the help of the INSAT, with the help of the INSAT, we can know the air you breathe. And by helping them to know the air you breathe, we believe that if people put this in their room, if in this place, in some place, then in a subtle way, in a subconscious way, by knowing about the atmosphere in a subtle way, unconsciously, by the subconscious mind, we believe that people will be aware about the climate change and the impact of the pollutions, which will eventually help in the attaining the Sustainable Development Goals number 11 and 13, which are the sustainable cities and communities and in climate action. With this, I would like to move to the first demo. Here is our device, which can collect the data, environmental data, and it can transfer the data in two ways. If there is Wi-Fi available, it will directly transfer via Wi-Fi. If Wi-Fi is not available, then it will be transferred via radio waves, which will go to that device, and all that will come into this system which will show the data for the time of second 1 minute. Sorry.
20 seconds, please.
Okay. For the accuracy of our device, we have checked it with Open Weather Map open source API, and also we have also checked it with the weather station which is located at Kathmandu University. Thank you.
Thank you. So we'll meet you after probably 30 minutes.
Yes, sir. Thank you.